In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add judge.me star ratings to Shopify Theme. By the end, your product pages will display clean, trustworthy star ratings that help shoppers make quick decisions and boost your store's credibility. First, head into your judge.me dashboard and open Settings. From there, go to Widgets, then select the star rating badge and click Customize. This area controls how the stars look and behave. You can fine-tune size, color, alignment, and whether you show the average rating text next to the stars. Take a moment to preview different styles so the badge matches your brand. Remember, these visual settings determine what your customers will see once the badge is placed on your product pages. Next, in your Shopify theme editor, on the default product template, locate the product information section. This is where most themes display the product title, price, and key details. Click Add Block. When the block selector opens, choose Apps, then pick Star Ratings from judge.me. That places the live star rating widget right into your product information stack, so it appears exactly where shoppers expect to find it. By default, judge.me hides ratings for products with no reviews. This prevents empty star visuals from showing on new items. If you'd prefer to display the badge even when there are 0 reviews, you can switch that behavior in the same judge.me settings you opened earlier under the star rating badge options. It's a personal preference. Some stores like to show the stars early to keep the layout consistent. Others prefer to reveal them only after the first review lands. Back in the theme editor, click the star rating snippet you just added. You'll see options to duplicate, hide, or move it to the trash. Duplicating is useful if your theme has separate sections and you want the stars in more than one spot, like under the title and again near the price. Hide is handy for testing layout without permanently removing the block. If you change your mind, you can delete it and re-add it later. Before you wrap up, adjust the block's position by dragging it within the product information section so it sits naturally with your design, commonly just beneath the product title. When everything looks right, save your changes. After saving, your star ratings will display on product pages that have reviews, and they'll follow the styling you set in judge.me. That's all you need to add judge.me star ratings to your Shopify theme, with clear control over style, placement, and visibility.